welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And said, you all, I am here to share a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Here to see what's in this here box. Then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video. Before we get started, I do want to let you know that this here was sent to me, so you know what that means. A inspired Louis Vuitton item. Show you really quick what came in the box. So here's the actual box with this here mirror, shipping information. Came with this little keychain, a little booklet, app, and the dust bag. It's the cutie, y'all. When I tell you this thing is so freaking cute, you hear me? So freaking cute. Like, there is, I think it's the toiletry. I think this is the mini size. So as you can see, I did bedazzle her out. I put this here little charm on her, and then I put this here Louis Vuitton bandeau on the strap. I have had for a long time, so you cannot go on the website and even look this here bandeau up because it's not available anymore. But I just decided to pull her out, like I said, to cover the straps, because the strap, I don't know, I just don't like this particular bag without the strap covered. These here little D-rings, so you can carry this here as a crossbody bag. But like I said, the way the bag is made, I will not carry it as a crossbody or shoulder bag. When I carry this bag, most likely I would be carrying it as a handheld bag, because to me it looks better. And I will insert pictures probably at the end of me wearing this hair bag, because I am dressed up, because today was the day my daughter graduate, class of 2025, and this is the reason why I wanted to do this hair video, because I wore this bag today. Throwing some graduation pictures of my daughter as well. Y'all, when I tell you I freaking love this little cutie, like, okay, so zippers aren't as shiny, but here I just wanted to show you, they still look, I mean, you know, they still look pretty okay, but as you can see, the zippers aren't the same color. The dead giveaway, but like I said, I don't care. I just still think the bag is cute. The zipper all the way to the back, it stops on each side. So here in the inside, it does not have a mirror here on the top, but I did notice that the Coach bags that's made like this do have an inside mirror. Now I'm okay with this not having an inside mirror, because I don't think I would care to like open up the bag and be looking myself in the mirror, because I can just throw one of my portable mirrors in here or whatever. The inside of the bag, this is what I carried to graduation. Here's my iPhone. I do have the 16 Plus, and I did have it in at the top. So this is how I actually carried the bag to graduation. Y'all, when I tell you she is stinking cute, y'all, look how cute. So let me show you really quick what I have in here. So here is the bag, and I'll just show you the inside. So the inside again is all, what is it, wipeable material. So I have my iPhone 16 Plus. I have my e.l.f. lip gloss, my Anastasia lip gloss in the shade peachy nude. Little mini clearance lip plumper, my gum, my newest Louis Vuitton purchase, which is my key pouch. All right, the best thing ever, y'all. I'm telling you, if you don't have seat covers, I highly recommend seat covers, y'all, because I'm telling you, all bathrooms don't carry seat covers. But yeah, I had to put these in there because, y'all, I cannot have a purse without seat covers. Okay, Fenty mirror, it is double-sided. Keys, and as you can see, this here is a full wallet with my keys. And y'all, I did get a new key from Home Depot, so I do have that. It says love. So yeah, keep in mind I have a full key with the key pouch. Shoes, because my nose is always running. Hair clip. Liners that I was wearing today. I probably take them out. Lipstick that I also wore today, which is a MAC lipstick, and I think it's number 625. I can't see the name, y'all. I'm sorry. I have my hand sanitizer, my AirPods. I had a case for them, but I don't know. I just took them out the case for some reason. My mini Vaseline. We'll have my Chanel lotion. So here is the bottom of the bag, and then here in the back pocket, back here, I have my Chanel card case. I have my key fob, and then I have some money. I found $10 outside of my job on my lunch break, so I'm just keeping that in there. I was thinking about using it to play the lottery with. Here is the bag empty. Like I said, it's really spacious. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in here just so you can see how I pack it. It'd be really neat, but we're gonna pack her up with a full-size key. And I do like the fact that you can like stand a lot of the products up, like you don't have to lay them down. Bosses, I can stand straight up. Here's my little Vaseline, my key, my AirPods, and my cell phone. So let me just show you. Really quick without the cell phone. So here's everything in the inside of my bag without the cell phone. It's my lotion that's right here. And then I will just put my cell phone on the top, and I can just close her like so. Y'all, when I tell you, I don't know, this thing is too cute, y'all. I think this size is what, 1200 or something. I have to double check that. Yo, I really like this hair bag. Like, she is cute. I bought this hair bag charm today. I had a cute pink one that had the Eiffel Tower on it and some other cute stuff, but it just wasn't long enough. Really long like this one. So that's why I found this Mickey Mouse one. So let's see how Mickey look. The other one was $16.99, and then the Mickey was $14.99. So in the Mickey, but then I'm thinking, should I have gotten the other key charm, because it had like a lot of, it had pretty colors on it and stuff. So see what I mean when I say a bag charm, I need it to hang like really low for it to look right. This one is cute, but I feel like it's not as busy as this one. Let me see if it looks right together. Both bag charms. Not sure how I feel about both bag charms. I don't know. But I just wanted to show you. I just feel like the bag charms that hang like this look so cute on this particular bag, y'all. Cute. Like, this is just really cute, y'all. I am in love with this hair bag. So if you enjoyed this hair unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. Before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos next time, and there will be a next time. I will talk to you later.